What if tracking valuable hospital equipment felt effortless instead of overwhelming and chaotic? The Wentworth-Douglass Hospital faced a staggering challenge, managing its resources without specialized inventory software. Their IT department relied on outdated Excel spreadsheets, leaving only 10% of equipment fully tracked. Shipping and returning equipment proved confusing. Managing multiple systems created a logistical nightmare. Karen Fortier, a financial analyst, recalls the frustration of handling inventory entirely manually until now. Searching for a solution, they discovered inFlow Inventory, transforming the management of their IT supplies. Now purchase orders can be sent directly through inFlow, streamlining restocking with complete accuracy. Each piece of high-value equipment is tracked, ensuring every item is properly accounted for and returned. With integrated shipping features, tracking shipments is simpler, saving the team valuable time and resources. Thanks to inFlow, inventory tracking has improved tenfold, allowing the team to focus on what truly matters.